Hello everybody and welcome back to Bell CB. We're looking at another Ranger RCI-69FFB4. This is for Mike in Hawaii. This is a tune-up report for him. That's what we got, Mike, over here. I'm looking at 100 watts all the way across the top. Power's all the way up, 100 watts. We turn the power down, 10 watts. Now this, we have 1,000 watt slug. That's 200. That's 400. We're going to go just a little above that. So each one of these lines in here is 20 watts. 20, 40, 60, 80, 500. Audio, check, 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 check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio, 1, 2, 3, 4. Audio, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio, check, 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 check. Audio. Upper side band. You'll see that on this radio. Audio, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio, check, 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 check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio, check, check, check. Audio. Alright. How about it, superstar, you out there? Audio, check, check, check. Audio, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio, check, check, check. 69FFB4 and a 636 mic down, bag out.
How about it, superstar, you out there? Audio, check, check, check. Audio, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio, check, check, check. 69FFB4 and a 636 mic down, bag out.